Hello, my name is Leah.
Hello, my name is Wendy.
Hello, my name is Gracelyn.
Hello, my name is Scarlett.
Today is Friday, May 1st, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, on Monday, May 4th, 4th grade will be taking a trip to Bell Intermediate School. Kindergarten will also have a luau at 2 p.m. Miss Mine and 4th grade will be traveling to the zoo for a field trip on Tuesday, May 5th. Wednesday, May 6th is School North Day. We are so lucky to have Miss Barron. Also on Wednesday 2nd, we'll be taking a field trip to Dave and Buster's, the PTO meeting, to vote on next year's board members. Will take place on Wednesday, May 6th as well. If you are interested in being a board member for the 2026 through 2027 school year, notify the front office before the 6th on Thursday, May 7th. Wonderland will be here at 9:30 for grades 1 and 2nd.
Pre-K wants to show everyone how much their plants have grown and how one of their tadpoles have grown into a froglet.
Kindergarten spent the week learning about ways to have positive impact on the earth. They learned about reusing materials, recycling, and reducing the amount of trash we make. They brainstormed ways to make less trash. Miss Harriman and Miss Lux would like to thank Miss Tara, Miss Clayton, Miss Gooden, Miss Claypool, Miss Hare, and Miss Laura for making kindergarten orientation such a success.
First grade continued their study of the life cycle by examining the life cycle of dandelions. After learning the stages in the life cycle of a dandelion, they were challenged to create their own model of dandelion seeds and test how well they float through the air.
The second grade butterflies emerged from the chrysalis last week. Both classes had butterflies successfully changed from caterpillars into painted ladies. Butterflies, they had a great time journaling the changes and then setting them free.
The third graders took the April weather data for Martinsville, Indiana, and they put it in a bar graph. We had more mostly cloudy days in April than any other. We only had 2 rainy days in April. So much for April showers, bring May flowers. They also graphed the temperature for April. We had 13 days in the 70 to 79 degree range.
The 4th graders explored the world of birds, their feet, and their habitats. They learned how birds' feet help them survive. Then they created awesome posters to explain their ideas. They are posted on our door. Come take a look.
This was the last week to check out library books. We are still missing 130 books and hoping to get all books turned in by May 8th. If you see a book somewhere it should not be, please bring it back to the library where, with everyone doing their part, we will get all the books back where they belong. The new leaderboard, Beanstack, is out. We have 2 more weeks to meet our goal and celebrate with the top readers in the school. Keep logging your minutes. We can do it.
The countdown is on. We are playing Invasion Days in PE up until track and field day. This week we are playing Capture the Flag.
Happy Principals Day! In computer science and STEM, we all made special flowers for our wonderful principal. Miss Tier is an amazing principal, and we are so proud to have her at our school. Thank you for all you do for our students.
After school activities, Girls on the Run completed their community outreach by writing thank you letters to the local Martinsville fighter fighters. When Miss G dropped them off, the fighter fighters were so excited they sent a big thank you back to our Girls on the Run club.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
We had a great turnout with our science fair last night. We had so many students that participated and they did a fantastic job. And here are the winners.
Joke of the week. What did the principal say about the thumb underneath the desk?
What did the principal say about the gum under the desk?
That's a sticky situation.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye! Thank you for watching.